If you are paying for an online order, the virtual MiM Mastercard can be used for payments. From the home screen, click Account. Select MiM Mastercard. Select Virtual Card. Click Generate CVC to request a CVC. At the checkout page, you will be asked the following information: first name, last name, card number, expiration date, and CVC. Note: if your virtual MiM Mastercard will be used, the CVC is dynamic and can be changed every time you request it. Kindly open your MiM app to request the CVC. You can request a new CVC every time you need it by clicking Generate CVC. The CVC is valid for one-time use only and will expire after 10 minutes. If you need another CVC, feel free to click Generate CVC to request a new one immediately.